Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Study Squad, and it is time for your daily dose of vocabulary with me. If you have yet not subscribed to our channel, then make sure you subscribe to it because this session is going to be under 5 minutes and it comes every day exactly at 9 a.m. So if you have yet not, then make sure to subscribe and do not forget to hit on that tiny bell near it so that every day when the session comes, you will get notified. With that being said, let's start with the first word for today. The first word is tout. Tout means to try to persuade people that something is important or valuable by praising them or it. So you're trying to persuade people that something is important and valuable. How are you going to do it? You're going to praise about it, right? This is how most of the advertising also works. They take on a product and they try to praise it a lot. Like, this will work wonders, this will change your skin, this will change your hair. And this is how people get persuaded or people get influenced and they start to buy that particular thing, right? Coming to the sentence we have, she's being touted as the next prime minister. So she is being praised by people and they're trying to persuade people that she is going to be your next prime minister, okay? Coming to your synonyms, we have loud, we have trumpet, and we have proclaim. Here the first one is very different and it is important, so I'm star marking it. So make sure you also note it down, okay? And lay extra importance on the ones that are star mark. Next word that we have is intifada. Okay, intifada is a word that means a rebellion or uprising or a resistance movement. Okay, so this is basically any uprising or rebellion that could happen in any country, any place. Okay, when people try to come up, fight against the government, that time a rebellion group is formed. Coming to the sentence, we have the militarization of the infidara was under scrutiny. So it was under cautious because they are putting putting basically the infidara into your military. So that was considered a little bit cautious and scrutiny was there against it. Next word we have is intifada. Intifada means a rebellion or uprising or a resistance movement. So if you have a rebellion or any uprising in any country, recently that kind of uprising happened in our neighboring countries, right? I hope you all reading the newspaper and you guys know about it. If you know about that country, make sure to name that in the comment section. Okay. Coming to the sentence, we have the militarization of the intifada was under scrutiny. The synonyms are revolt, rebellion, and rising head. This is a different kind of word, therefore we have put it in. Next word we have is brawn. Brawn means physical strength. So you have mental strength, you have your brain. And the exact opposite to it is your brawn. That is, you have physical strength. Coming to the sentence, we have to do this kind of job. You need more brawn than brain. So you need more physical strength than your mental ability. Here, any work that is your physical work, say you're working in a garden or you're working at a construction site, you need more physical strength. So you need more brawn. Coming to the synonyms, we have muscle, vigor, and might. Next word we have is mule. Mule means think about a fact, proposal, or request deeply and at a length. So when you put in a lot of thinking into something, deep thinking about any fact, proposal, request, that time if you can use the word mule or you're muling onto that particular thing. Coming to the sentence, we have she began to mule over the various possibilities. So she started to think about the various possibilities of a particular career, particular different thing that could have come up in her life. Then the synonyms we have ponder, contemplate, and evaluate. Here ponder is important and I'm star marking it. Next word we have is waive. Waive means to say officially that a rule, etc. need not to be obeyed. To say officially that you no longer have the right to do something. So if you are waived of something, that means you are not allowed to do that or you are not entitled to do that. Coming to the sentence, it will make very clear the university waives the application fee for low-income students. So when you join university, most universities have this kind of scheme where people who have low income, when they come in the low income bracket students, they waive off the application fee. The same thing if you are filling any government exam form also, right? If you form any kind of exam form, that time also application form type, that time most of you get some kind of waivering if you depend on particular kind of category, as in the society. If you're SC, ST, then you get a little bit reduction. If you're in the creamy layer, then you have to pay the full. But if you're in other low income category or the bracket, then your fees is waived away. Mostly if you're women also, then most of your application form, you don't have to pay it. So it's waived off. Coming to the synonyms, we have abandon, relinquish and abjure. Here, last two are important and I'm star marking them. Pay specific attention on them. Next word we have is dormant. Dormant means not active or growing, but has the ability to be active at a later time. So it can mean that you're not active at particular time or you're not growing, but it can eventually be active. The sentence here is the long dormant volcano has recently shown signs of erupting. So the volcano had been dormant for a very long time, and now there's signs that there could be eruption coming out of it. Coming to your synonyms, we have comatose, supine and latent. Here, the first two are important and pay extra attention here. Next word we have is the word for the day. And this word, you're going to tell me the meaning and the synonyms. If you have antonyms also, then you make sure to answer them in the comment section. I'll be very eager to know how many people know the meaning of this simple word impose. Lastly, if you have watched the session this far, make sure to like this. Share it with all your friends. Do not forget to answer whatever we asked in the comment section. And if you have any feedback, make sure to note that down in the comment section. And lastly, make sure to subscribe to our channel. With that being said, I'll end the session here. Every day we come at 9 a.m. So make sure to be part of this session. With that being said, we'll end it here. Thank you for watching.